Hello, I'm Ed. I'm going to demonstrate to you today how to check the reserve capacity of 12-volt battery. We have two 12-volt batteries here. They're marine batteries, and when you say marine, you want to know how long that these batteries will last when you're out on the lake fishing. I like to fish, and I don't like for my batteries to go dead when I've been out there half the time I'm going to fish. So if you know the reserve capacity, then you're going to know how long it's going to last. Now, first thing I want to go over is the equipment that you're going to need to check this reserve capacity. Well, let me explain to you too about reserve capacity. Reserve capacity is how long that this trolling motor, when it's pulling 25 ounce, will pull that 25 ounce in minutes before it gets to 10.5 volts. When it drops from 12.8 or whatever the voltage is on this battery now, when that drops by pulling that 25 ounce on it and stops, gets below 10.5 volts, then that's called your reserve minutes, your reserve capacity of that marine battery. So now let me go over the equipment. First of all, we've got a Minn Kota trolling motor here, like when you're using it out of fishing. And we've got a scale here, we can move it up and down to get to the draw of 25 amps that we want. We have the battery, which is a Duracell marine battery, deep cycle. It's Ultra Duracell AGM battery, and it shows 210 reserve capacity on this. And we're gonna see how much reserve capacity this battery has. I bought it and I've got the receipt that I showed that I bought it in February of this year. And I started using it in May and used it through October, which would be about 6 months that I've used it, but I've had it for probably 8 or 9 months. And it's got a warranty on it till 2025, full warranty, it says on the receipt. Now, you already showed them this. Come in on this, and this explains better detail what I just got through telling you about what we're going to do. We're going to check the reserve capacity of this battery, and we're going to do it by checking to see how long it'll pull 25 ounce load for how many minutes before it drops to 10.5 volts. Okay. Now, I'm going to, I've got a voltmeter that works off of, that'll check your DC voltage, and it also check your DC amps by snapping that around the hot wire. And that's what I'm going to do here. Okay, we got this barrel half full of water. The motor's pulling like it's out on the lake. Okay. Now I'm going to turn this to the amps, so we see how many amps that it's pulling. And I need it to be pulling 25 amps. It's pulling 26, just a little more than I need. So I can slow it down a little, and there it is down to 25 point something amps. Okay, we're gonna let that pull until I'm gonna check it every 15 minutes. And I'm gonna come back and check it again in 15 minutes. And the voltage will drop a little, but the time ends and this battery drops to 10.5 volts. Right now, it's under a load, and it's still showing its voltage. It's still showing 12.3 volts, and it's running. So it's higher than that. It's 12.8 because it is fully charged. We'll come back in 15 minutes, check it, make sure it ain't below 10.5 volts, and do that in segments until it goes below 10.5 volts. Then we're going to know how many minutes. I need to go ahead and put the minutes on my phone. Your phone, you got Christy. Okay, we're going to start the minutes here on my phone and calculate it from that.